Welcome to the VB script components, where we are currently going to see how VB script can be leveraged to convert data or migrate data from Excel to PowerPoint, where I have data that needs to be replicated in templates which are maintained in PowerPoint. So this is the first phase where I'm able to see what content or what data is available in Excel or in PowerPoint and how exactly we need to go about migration of the data from Excel to PowerPoint. So the first thing is, like, I have my script, which is a very simple script. I named it as 1.pbs, which can be renamed as anything else. Okay, I'll go into it and I'll be able to show how exactly we can walk through the whole process. Yep, welcome. So here you can see the first thing when I double click, it opened up my Excel spreadsheet, and row number one, column number one, it's got terms of payment. It now goes into the PowerPoint presentation, which is a simple presentation where I'm actually having a corporate finance dashboard, which is actually a simple template for 2013 or 2014. This can be configured for any year. On the left hand side, you can see that there are three slides. Primarily, the first is just an opening slide, and you have two slides, which are the finance info deck and info deck 2. There's nothing simple about it. These are slides that are actually templates that are driven and created specifically for corporate finance. This can be for anything. So here it shows me, my script shows me that this particular PowerPoint presentation has got 3 slides, and I'll just go about it now. Slide number 1 shows me, you can see on the left hand side, it's got the current text, that is a corporate finance dashboard, which is at the top, and then on the bottom portion it's got the second block. So if each slide is split up into 2 blocks, one is a header block and one is a data block. It shows me how the slide is actually split. Here it tells me what my message type is, because it is called as MSO placeholder, and the value returned is 14, because the data content what I have on each slide is of the type MSO placeholder. So here I can see that the data that is actually populated on the bottom portion, which is shown as year 2013 and 2014, is I have picked it up and captured it into a data value which I have termed it as string 0. So this is the complete content of slide number 1 in a nutshell. So you can see that I have captured all the data that is required from this particular slide. So now I go to slide number 2, and it tells me what the data is. On the left hand side you can see that it's info deck 2. I'm not actually skipping over to the actual slide. This is to ensure that I am able to show you the full thing. Yeah, thank you. Here I will show you what the data text is in terms of the slide number 2, and you can see that there are 3 main strings, which is terms of payment, duration of payment, and payment category, which actually are the data values that are being pulled from the Excel spreadsheet. You can see that wherever the underline is there will be replaced with the contents from the Excel spreadsheet. Good enough? The rest of it is I'll keep on going through, because I have 8 entries in my inbound Excel spreadsheet. Here you can see this gone to row number 2 in my Excel spreadsheet, which talks about duration of payment, and which is same as duration of payment on info deck 1 slide number 2, and that's line entry number 2. From now on, I'll go a little more faster so that I'm able to go through the entire Excel spreadsheet, which has got about 8 or 9 line entries that have to be populated into the PowerPoint template. That's row number 3 on the Excel spreadsheet now. Row number 4, payment year. Row number 4, it's got the actual year on column number 2. Row number 5 is the payment name, which you can see on slide number 3, line number 2. I'm with the last record right now. So once the whole thing is done, I've come back here, and the way that is set up is this template sheet will not be updated in any manner. Instead, a similar sheet with a different naming standard and convention that can be fine-tuned as per your need will be saved with all the same contents that are available in the spreadsheet for your reference. Thank you.